Clark Foundation has also weighed in on the matter of Afrikaner refugees. It says the national dialogue is needed to deal with race relations.
There's no such thing as genocide or all the other terrible things that are being mentioned by President Trump. So this is really a very, very strange and a very, sort of theatrical issue that is taking place. And one just really wonders what really sits behind it. I think the bigger issue is that the ANC together, or even the president, together with his counterpart in the United States, and apparently they had a phone call, I think it's important that they need to engage constructively to deal with the issues that all South Africans face. Unemployment is rife, crime is rife. We've seen people moving to cities in droves, and people grab any piece of land. And that's not necessary. If we have proper urban planning, we will be able to build proper houses for people in cities wherever they stay. And it's so important because we need to align everything that we do as a government and as citizenry with the values embedded in our Constitution. The three values that are critical, the building blocks: it speaks to human dignity, it speaks to equality, it speaks to human rights. And we've seen a steady erosion of those building blocks over time. So a national dialogue, and I'm part of a steering committee consisting of various other foundations. We've been calling for a dialogue, national dialogue. We've been working very hard behind the scenes to set a plan or bring a plan together for the national dialogue.